Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Wisdom for Healthy Living. I discuss simple tips and natural solutions for a healthier and more peaceful life. We're talking about one of the biggest health challenges worldwide, obesity. But don't worry, we're not going to suggest drastic diets or impossible regimens. Instead, I'll share 7 practical ways to manage obesity with healthy foods and choices that are simple, effective, and readily available. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Focus on fiber-rich vegetables. Fiber-rich vegetables are vital to feeling full without adding too many calories. These foods digest slowly, helping to stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. Common options include okra, cabbage, and spinach. Aim to fill half your plate with these vegetables at each meal. Besides helping with weight management, they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Tip 2. Include protein-rich legumes. Legumes like beans, pumpkin seeds. Locally sourced pumpkin seeds provide protein, healthy fats, and zinc. They can be roasted as a snack, sprinkled on salads, or blended into sauces for a nutritional boost. Groundnut, peanuts. Groundnuts are high in protein and healthy fats. You can enjoy them roasted, made into a paste, or included in stews for extra richness. These also provide essential nutrients which are necessary for overall health. Tip 3. Choose whole grains as part of your diet. Change over to refined grains to improve satiety and provide long-lasting energy. Common options include brown rice, millet, and oats. Refined grains are packed with fiber, which helps control appetite, and they have a lower impact on blood sugar levels than their refined counterparts. Start your day with a bowl of oats or include brown rice in your meals for lasting energy. Tip 4. Go for healthy fats with moderation. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats found in avocado, nuts, and olive oil can help with weight control. They keep you full for longer, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. Add a few slices of avocado to your meals or a small handful of nuts as a snack. Just be mindful of portions, as fats are calorie-dense. Tip 5. Embrace fresh fruits for natural sweetness. If you're craving something sweet, choose fresh fruits like bananas, oranges, and apples instead of sugary snacks. These fruits are fiber-rich and help regulate blood sugar. Bananas provide a boost of energy, oranges are refreshing and hydrating, and apples are filling and high in fiber. These are all easy to find and affordable. Tip 6. Drink herbal teas for hydration and metabolism. Support. Hydration is crucial for managing weight, and herbal teas can be a fantastic way to keep hydrated. Look for teas like green tea, hibiscus tea, or ginger tea. They're loaded with antioxidants and can boost your metabolism. Green tea, for example, contains catechins that may support fat burning. Have a cup between meals or as a comforting end to the day. Tip 7. Practice portion control with smaller plates. Controlling your portions can significantly impact calorie intake. Try using smaller plates and bowls to reduce portion sizes without feeling deprived naturally. Start with smaller servings, and if you're still hungry, go for seconds of vegetables or fruits. This method helps you eat mindfully and prevents overeating. And there you have it, 7 simple, sustainable ways to manage obesity through a healthier diet. Remember, it's about making small, consistent choices every day. If you enjoyed these tips, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my latest health tips. Stay healthy, stay youthful, and see you next time. Thanks for watching the Wisdom for Healthy Living channel. Once more, please don't forget to subscribe to help promote my channel.